everyone, we're back with something a little different this time.
Yes, we are not in Bengaluru, we are in Namma, Mysuru.
For us Bangaloreans, Mysore has always been the weekend escape, the long drives, Chamundi Hills, the palace, food, cafe hoppings, and a lot more.
And I have personally come to Mysore a decade back and I almost forgot how beautiful the place is.
Exactly. Our team ventured out and captured the true beauty of Mysore.
The weather's been all over the place the last couple of days, raining, windy, not exactly camera friendly, but we figured why not just roll with it and show you the real vibe of Mysore as it is. No perfect shot, just the city in its truest element. Take a look.
For years, Mysuru was seen as a cultural escape. Today, it's quietly becoming one of South India's most desirable places to live. Because while the world runs faster, more people are choosing to live smarter and slower.
Also, the air quality here is among the best in the country. The city ranks consistently high in cleanliness, water management, and green cover. And unlike most growing cities, Mysuru's development is thoughtful, not chaotic. Roads are wide, power and water systems are reliable. And thanks to Bengaluru-Mysuru Expressway, you are only 90 plus minutes away from India's tech capital.
Alright, so today we have a proposition for you.
We are bringing you 3 residential plotted developments by Ahad, a trusted real estate developer in Karnataka known for delivering quality residential projects. They have completed over 230 plus projects across Bengaluru and Mysuru.
Okay, first up we have Ahad City. This is a big one. Spread over 50 plus acres, Ahad City is one of the largest and most thoughtfully designed plotted communities in Mysuru, planned like a nature retreat. It's a full-fledged neighborhood built around the idea of everyday living. The streets are lined up with trees, there are walking paths, fountains, landscape parks, all designed to create a calm, breathable environment.
Basic facilities are already sorted here. You've got underground electricity, water and sewage. So no messy wires or open drains around. The roads inside are wide, there's rainwater harvesting and even a proper sewage treatment plant in place.
This project offers multiple plot sizes, 30-40, 30-50, 40-60 and more options to choose from.
Connectivity is another strong point. You're never too far from the things that matter, be it shopping, healthcare, travel or work hubs. Everything is just a short drive away, making daily life seamless and stress-free.
And since the whole community is gated and well maintained, it works great both as a place to live and as an investment, especially when the per square feet rate starts at rupees 2500. Also, there are people already residing in this community, and at your request, the builders are ready to construct a villa just like this, starting at rupees 80 lakh, including the plot and the villa. Let us know what are your thoughts about this project in the comment section below.
Now let's check out Ahad Iris. Ahad Iris is spread over 7 acres of land parcel, and builder's future plan is to expand up till 30 acres.
You get more green cover, wide spaces between homes, extensive landscaping, the kind of environment where you can let your kids cycle around, where early morning walks feels like a ritual, and where you can actually hear birds but not horns. Again, all the facilities are underground just like Ahad City. This project offers 30-50, 30-60, 30-55 and various other dimensions villa plots. It's perfect for young families, mid-career professionals and anyone who is looking to build their home in a peaceful yet well-connected place.
And last but not the least, this one's actually our favorite, Ahad Hills.
Spread across 35 acres, this project stands out for one simple reason: elevation. Instead of flattening the land, they've embraced the natural terrain. So the layout flows with the landscape, giving you better air circulation, cooler temperatures, and long uninterrupted views of the skyline.
It genuinely feels different. The homes here will have more space between them, both physically and mentally. You're not boxed in. There is openness, greenery, and a real sense of calm built into this master plan. So if you're someone who wants a little more quiet, a little more privacy, Ahad Hills could be exactly what you're looking for. Not remote, just thoughtfully removed from the chaos.
So why these projects and why now? Here's the simple math.
In Bengaluru, prices have grown rapidly, especially in well-connected or developing areas. And while that's great for a city, it also means your budget doesn't stretch as far anymore.
But just a short drive away in Mysuru, that same budget opens up a whole new kind of possibility. A full-size plot in a gated community, surrounded by trees, with ready infrastructure and space to grow.
And this isn't about compromise. With a trusted name like Ahad behind it, you are stepping into a project that is well planned, well maintained, and future ready.
So really, it's not about choosing between two cities.
It's about choosing the kind of lifestyle that works for you, whether it be more space, more calm, or just smarter long-term investment.
Alright, that wraps up our tour on these three projects: Ahad City, Ahad Iris, and Ahad Hills. Let us know which one feels more like home to you in the comments. Thanks for joining us in this walkthrough.
And we'll see you in the next one.